Our entry for Hackerfest 2021 and we team Sublet, making submissions lit. Speaking of the problem that we're dealing with, the manual aggregation and evaluation of several programming assignments is a very tedious and cumbersome task to a lot of teachers. This is not just time consuming, but also very repetitive in nature. So why is this the best time to start this particular company? Due to the offset of the COVID-19 pandemic, everything pretty much transitioned online. And due to the upcoming of the new education policy in India, it makes coding a mandatory subject from the 6th grade, making it as basic as a language like English. So it also gives people a competitive advantage in career and also, in general, gives a better thinking ability and problem solving mindset to students. So yeah, what happens to be our solution for this particular problem? Well, we're Sublet. We make we have a particular platform wherein you can create classrooms and assignments as a teacher, wherein you can give out a particular class code for your students to join. Students can join this particular class code and submit right on the platform itself. So both of the student as well as the teacher are on the same platform, and these scores get evaluated automatically and just translate into a CSV file which the teacher can download immediately. And then the database management also becomes really easy for the university. So you can classify your results based on your needs, and there's also a feature of data analysis that we're working upon in the future. Our value propositions that we've already spoken about is the automated assignment submission and evaluation platform in itself, and the fact that this happens on one single platform for both teachers as well as students. We also offer a feature of data analysis wherein the teachers can see where the students are lacking so that they can help them out in better ways. We also have a diversified evaluation system which will be talked about in the coming slide. We have an iteration in the customer segments as well, wherein we'll not just be now focusing on Tier 1 and Tier 2 universities, we'll also be talking about corporate placement bodies which will be using this particular platform for their testing services during new recruitments. Our customer relationships remain constant, personal assistance with students, long-term with teachers, and transactional with management. And our channels happen to be the web application that we're building in-house, and the key activities, the addition happens to be product testing, which again we'll be talking about in the coming slides. Our key resources happen to be software developers, funds, as well as designers that we will be getting in touch with. And our key partners remain Cisco Incubator and PES University and a couple of other universities that we're looking at. Our cost structure, we've already applied for replenishment with respect to DigitalOcean, and in addition to that, we'll have marketing and sales costs as well as development costs. Our revenue streams, we have worked upon this a little bit in this particular hackathon, and we have concluded that a subscription model is best suited for us. And there's a SAP-wise pricing. The money will be according to the number of students who will be using our platform at a single time per university.
We've actually implemented full CRUD operations and functionality for all our resources like users, assignments, and classroom. So now you can not only create a test case by actually typing out the text in your browser, but you can also submit your test case as a text file. We allow teachers to actually give marks to each assignment, question, and individual test case. So teachers can give different marks based on the difficulty of the test case, and this allows us to actually give students their final marks in how many test cases their code passes and how many hard and easy test cases their code passes. We have multiple bugs on the platform, including a very nasty bug related to authentication. We updated our DMC completely, and we've added a lot more thought to our revenue streams and our cost structure. And we've conducted 2 massive customer discovery sessions with teachers from RVCE and RNSIT who love the product, and they really want to help us test it out in their college. So our plan for the next 3 months is very focused. First off, we actually want to finish our MVP by the 3rd week of September, and this means making all our core features intact and also fixing all our nasty bugs and making it very stable. Then we want to implement extremely hard load testing to make sure that our system is actually scalable as the number of requests and users increase parallelly. Then we want to switch our cloud provider from Heroku over to DigitalOcean and push all of our services and deploy all of our services on that particular cloud platform. We want to test out our product in PES University, and once that is successful, we plan on expanding to other local universities like RVCE, BMS, etc. And finally, we want to keep on iterating on our product to make sure that these new features keep our product relevant in the market.
We will be discussing our replenishments with respect to this particular hackathon with our Maker Manager, and that's our entry for Hackerfest 2021. Thank you.